Hello everyone. In this video, we would see the capabilities of the OneBill CRM and how it helps you manage your customers and day-to-day operations using a convenient user interface. The key highlights of the CRM that we would see in this video are how you can use a browser-based tool to view and manage your customers, their orders, as well as CPQ and trouble ticketing. You have a 360 view of the customer where you can see all their purchase information. You can manage operations like viewing what plan they're on, changing plans, doing upgrades, downgrades, cancellation of services, etc. You have an access control application which lets you to decide which user gets access to relevant sections of the application. That way, you can go and allow access only for relevant sections to people in your organization. You have support for white labeling, so the application can look and feel like as if it's your own. There is support for channel-based sale, where you could have channel partners like your resellers or distributors who could also use this platform for managing their sales. There's a convenient coding tool with ability to e-sign so that you could have an automated flow for coding approval from your customers and then converting it into an order. There's also a trouble ticketing module, which can be used for managing your customer issues, either through the administration portal or through the end customer portal. Let's see how each of this looks from the OneBill platform. Let's start with the view of the customer information. This is the view of a customer account, and you are seeing the information of one of the subscriptions with a customer where you can see the location where the service is provided, the plan the customer is on, and various key dates like when it was activated, what quantity is there, the unit price, etc. You also can see the customer's existing account balance, what is the balance that is billed, what is yet to be billed, etc. You can see their billing cycle. From here, you could also manage various operations like modifying the subscription to do an upgrade or downgrade, cancel subscription, adding on additional capabilities, etc. You also have the ability to purchase new elements by going through a quote process. When you go through the quote, you can pick and choose the elements you want to buy. You can associate them with relevant locations or addresses. And when all of this is added, you could create a quote which can go as an email to the customer. This document can again be branded with your logo, with the address information, etc. And you could also break up charges by your non-recurring charges, recurring charges, etc., as well as show information about taxes in your quote document. This document can be sent over an email to your customer who could look at it and electronically sign. And when the quote is signed by the customer, we could convert it into an order. With respect to the help desk capability, there is a help desk module provided, which is configurable by you. You could configure the different status, the type of ticket, priority, and also you could define the groups where the tickets are going to be assigned to, and you could also define different users into the group. You could add attachments, give comments, and also put notes which are only visible to internal users so that there are some updates which may not go to the end customer. There are also notifications which go to customers when ticket status changes, so everybody is aware of what's going on. From an access control perspective, the system lets you to define various roles. You can have custom roles depending on your business needs, and each role can have a set of privileges that you want to provide for the same. There is also a dashboard provided where you can see key business metrics like your revenue that is invoiced and collected, your collections data on your receivables, and any payment that is not collected, a set of key metrics around how many customers you have, what is purchased, etc. Most of the configuration of the user interface is managed from here, so you can do the branding, setting up the color themes, setting off the address, etc., choosing invoice templates, and all of that can be done from our user interface. You can also have channel partners and you could have your channel partner who could manage the business and manage or resell your products. Your channel partner could again white label the solution, and they will have their own section of customers, quotes, orders, etc. So you kind of create like a subsection of the application for them to log in and manage. This way, it enables you to have your channel partners also use the same solution for selling it to their customers. With channel partners, you can also define the different settlement policies, and they will be able to view the reports of what needs to be settled between you and them using a set of out-of-the-box reports that is provided in our platform. Thanks for looking at this video.